We appreciate you taking the time to come check out 3D Products. This segment we're going to show you the AAT 501 cutting compound. 501 cutting compound paired with the AAT lambswool. It's 100% lambswool right off the hide. It's the KWW8 8-inch lambswool pad and a brand new K99 flexible backing plate. Flexible backing plate is extremely important as far as this is all paired together because most surfaces are not flat. And we want to show you how quick the AAT 501 with the lambswool pad, the K88, combined with the backing plate can remove these 1500 sand scratches. Okay, now we're going to take our brand new lambswool pad. When you do this, one of the first things you want to notice as we start to work here is there won't be any lint flying all over the place. Now we've had in previous segments, we showed some of the benefits of the lambswool pad as far as why we prefer to use it. One, it cuts faster than a foam pad. Two, it's actually safer in reducing heat. Because it's a natural lambs, it's not twisted, there's no glue or any of that, any added abrasive to it. It cuts even, cuts smooth, keeps it cool, and it gets you that nice setup for the second step for the 502 and the polishing pad. So first thing you'll want to do is take and put in basically 4 to 5 small size drops here. Get your pad ready. You'll want to then take and set up, I have it set here at level 3, which is 1200 RPMs. And you'll want to work in slow back and forth motions, making sure that you're cutting out as quickly and as evenly as possible. Now you don't have to do a whole lot of pressure. It's designed so for those that like to get your pad nice and flat, you go ahead and do that. If you want to take and bring it up on edge just a little bit, you can do that too. Notice again, there's no lint flying all over the place, and the product stays right in place so you can keep it within that nice working area. You don't have to worry about the heat. The combination of the pad and the 501 abrasive, because there's no petroleum in it, creating an artificial heat, which is what's causing a lot of the cut and some other chemicals. This is not doing that. This is actual mechanical chemical abrasive. The chemical part of it is something that just holds the abrasive together. You can see we're pretty much already done here. Just want to make sure that I get my area of work done. And as you can tell, it's actually pretty self-cleaning. I'm not going to really worry about wiping it up when I want to go into the polishing segment of this. Now what you are going to expect is you will have wool pad marks. That's perfectly normal. You have wool pad marks and holograms. If you noticed here, all the sand marks are gone. And all you have is these big, long, sweeping wool pad marks. And that's supposed to be there. So that was an in-depth look at how quickly it works in one area. I'm going to go ahead and clean up half of this hood real quick to show you how quickly this abrasive works. Take a piece of tape, draw lines, and then you can make sure you see the difference between the two. Now you see that we've taken the time, short amount of time, to make quick work of these 1500 grit sand marks. Fairly clean. Notice there's not a huge mess all over the place. It wipes off easy, self-cleaning. I didn't even have to wipe this down. Wool pads in good shape. Product's not caked up all over the place. Not causing deeper issues. Allows for a more even cut. You used very minimal amounts of product. And you're able to do this in a shorter time than the compounds that are out there. And this is true paint correction. All you have left to do now is to look us up on our next episode where we'll show you how to remove these wool pad marks and these holograms in one more step, creating the true two-step paint correction process that you've come to learn about, come to hear about, and what we're very excited and proud about. Until next time, I'm Donald Williams with 3D International. We'll see you soon.